What's up, guys? Today we're going to do some maintenance on my 68 RFE transmission on my 2022 Dodge Ram. Um, just wanted to go over what I'm doing and see if I could help you guys out. Number one thing here is the ATS bypass valve. We're going to be adding that when we do the service. This is a really good upgrade. There's plenty of videos out there on this, but it basically bypasses the thermostat for your transmission cooler. When these go bad, it basically fries your transmission, so we're going to be installing this today. We went ahead and went with the PPE transmission pan. We're going to go ahead and put that in it. Number one, it has a plug in there. Number two, it holds 3 more quarts of fluid, so I like that. I want to keep it nice and cool when I'm towing. They also sell a deeper filter that goes inside this pan. It's a really good upgrade. I think it's down to, it's 58% increase over stock, so we're just getting all that trash that's inside the transmission, better filtration. We did order the PPE filter. I figured these guys know what they're doing, so we went ahead and added that as well. They do come with a silicone. A lot of the Dodge guys put that silicone in there. I'm not a big fan of that because it's just a mess when you service your transmission again. I'm not planning on taking the pan off, but I went ahead and went to the Dodge dealer and got the rubber gasket. I'll leave a part number for that also. I just like the rubber gaskets. I think they're a little bit better quality. You don't run into any issues with these, so that's what I'm using, and they're reusable. For transmission fluid, we went ahead and got the Valvoline ATF4. It's full synthetic. We are adding 3 quarts with that pan, so we're going to flush a little bit out of it, and hopefully it should be right about 12 quarts total. So hope you got something out of this, and if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out. Thank you.